In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with GetFormly today. To begin, open your preferred web browser and search for GetFormly. From the search results, look for the official GetFormly website and open it. Make sure you're clicking the correct site so you can sign up safely and access the real platform. Once you're on the home page, look for a button such as Get Started, Sign Up, or something similar. Click that to begin creating your account. If you want to try the platform for yourself, you can also use the affiliate link in the description. That's a quick and easy way to get to the right page while supporting the channel. Next, fill in the required sign-up information, such as your email address and password. Depending on what GetFormly currently offers, you may also see other registration options, so take a moment to review those if they appear. Choose the option that works best for you, then complete the registration process. As always, use a strong password and keep your login details stored somewhere secure. After signing up, GetFormly may ask you to verify your email address. If that happens, head over to your inbox and look for the verification email from GetFormly. Open it, then click the verification button or follow whatever instructions are provided in the message. This step is important because it helps activate your account and ensures you can log in without issues. Once your account is verified, go back to the GetFormly website, enter your account credentials, and click Login, or the equivalent button if it's labeled slightly differently. After logging in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. At this point, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. You'll typically see the main navigation areas and key sections that help you manage your account and work with forms. If you're brand new, this is a good time to simply look around and understand where the core features are located. From there, you can start using GetFormly by going to the area where forms can be created or managed. Begin with the most basic action available for a new user, such as starting a new form or opening the form management section. Keep it simple at first so you can build confidence with the platform before exploring more advanced options. And that's it. You now know how to sign up for GetFormly, verify your accounts, log in, and access the platform through the website. If you want to try it yourself, remember you can use the affiliate link in the description. Thanks for watching.